Deep within the lush, verdant rainforests of Southeast Asia, a small but remarkable creature goes about its daily life. It's an animal that combines the grace of a cat with the adaptability of a jungle dweller, and it plays a surprising role in the world of coffee. This is the civet. In this episode, we'll delve into the life of the civet, a fascinating animal whose unique habits and behaviors make it a subject of intrigue. We'll explore its natural habitat, its diet, and its curious connection to one of the world's rarest coffees. Prepare to discover how this unassuming mammal has captured the imagination of coffee enthusiasts around the globe. The civet is a small, nocturnal mammal that looks like it stepped right out of a fantastical storybook. It belongs to the family Viveridae and is known for its distinctive appearance and intriguing behaviors. The civet's physical characteristics are a blend of intriguing features. It has a sleek body, a long tail, and a face that could be mistaken for a cross between a cat and a raccoon. Its fur is usually a mix of gray or brown with dark stripes or spots, adding to its somewhat enigmatic appearance. The scientific classification of the civet places it within the family Viveridae, which includes several species. The most well-known are the Asian palm civet, or Paradoxurus hermaphroditus, which is famous for its role in producing kopi luwak, and the African civet, or Civetictis civetta, which is known for its distinctive white spots and stripes. Civets inhabit a wide range of environments depending on their species. The Asian palm civet, which is integral to the story of kopi luwak, is typically found in tropical forests. These forests span countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and India, and are ideal for the civet due to their abundant fruit and cover. This species is quite adaptable, often found in plantations and agricultural areas as well as in the wild. On the other hand, the African civet is native to sub-Saharan Africa, where it roams the forested and savanna regions. This civet prefers areas with dense vegetation, which provides both food and shelter. The African civet is slightly larger and has a more robust build compared to its Asian counterpart. Civets are omnivorous, meaning they have a diverse diet that includes fruits, insects, small animals, and even some plants. The Asian palm civet is particularly known for consuming coffee cherries, which brings us to its intriguing connection to the coffee world. These cherries are the fruit that surrounds the coffee beans, and the civet's choice of diet plays a crucial role in the production of one of the world's most unusual coffees. Kopi luwak, or civet coffee, is produced in a fascinating, albeit unconventional, manner. The process begins when the civet consumes coffee cherries. Inside the civet's digestive system, the beans undergo a fermentation process. The digestive enzymes in the civet's stomach interact with the beans, altering the proteins that influence the coffee's flavor. After being excreted by the civet, the beans are collected from the feces, thoroughly cleaned, and then processed. Once the beans are cleaned, they are roasted at high temperatures to ensure any residual bacteria or pathogens are eliminated. The result is a coffee that is often described as smooth, rich, and aromatic. The fermentation process reduces bitterness and acidity, creating a unique flavor profile that is both complex and mellow. The African civet, unlike its Asian counterpart, does not play a role in producing coffee. While both species belong to the same family, their digestive processes and diets differ significantly. The African civet's digestive enzymes do not affect the coffee beans in the same way as those of the Asian palm civet. The price of kopi luwak can soar to over $180 per pound. This high cost is driven by several factors. First, the process of collecting and processing the beans is labor-intensive. The beans must be carefully picked from the droppings, cleaned, and roasted. The limited supply of beans also contributes to the high price. Civets produce only a small quantity of beans, and the production process is relatively slow compared to other methods of coffee production. Finally, the uniqueness and rarity of kopi luwak drive up demand, adding to its luxurious price tag. If you're wondering what civet coffee tastes like, you might be surprised. Despite its unconventional origins, kopi luwak is noted for its smooth, rich flavor. The beans fermentation process reduces the usual bitterness and acidity associated with coffee. Instead, the resulting brew is described as full-bodied, nutty, and aromatic. It lacks the sharp bitterness found in many other coffees, making it possible to brew it strong without an unpleasant aftertaste. The relationship between civets and humans has evolved over time, from their role in producing coffee to their status as exotic pets. Historically, civets were valued for their contribution to the coffee trade, but there's more to their interaction with people than just coffee production. Civets have also been kept as pets, though this practice is controversial. Many civets kept in captivity suffer from poor living conditions, which raises significant ethical concerns. The civet, particularly the African civet and the Asian palm civet, isn't currently classified as endangered, but it faces significant threats from habitat loss, hunting, and the coffee industry, where it's often kept in poor conditions to produce kopi luwak. Although some species remain common, their populations are declining due to these pressures. This has led to increasing advocacy for more ethical production practices, including ensuring that civets are kept in humane conditions and that their welfare is prioritized in the coffee production process. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation, enforcing wildlife protection laws, and promoting ethical coffee practices. If you're wondering how you can help, consider supporting wildlife conservation organizations, choosing sustainable and cruelty-free products, and spreading awareness about the civet's plight. Together, we can ensure these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in the wild. Beyond its role in coffee production, the civet has several other intriguing aspects worth exploring. For instance, the civet's scent glands, located near the base of the tail, produce a substance called civetone. This compound has been used historically in perfumes for its musky aroma. Civetone is one of the many fascinating byproducts of the civet, highlighting its unique place in both nature and human culture. Their diet and foraging habits contribute to their role in their ecosystems as they help in seed dispersal by consuming various fruits and subsequently excreting the seeds. Moreover, civets are agile climbers and can navigate both arboreal and terrestrial environments with ease. This adaptability is a key factor in their survival across diverse habitats. Their ability to thrive in both natural and modified environments, such as plantations, reflects their resilience and flexibility. The civet is a remarkable animal with a rich and varied life. From its role in the production of one of the world's most unique coffees, to its intriguing natural behaviors and contributions to ecosystems, the civet's story is one of adaptability, intrigue, and a touch of controversy. Whether you're fascinated by its coffee-making role or simply interested in this elusive creature, the civet's place in the natural world is both fascinating and complex.